The launch of Oppo Find X in Malaysia actually marked the return of Find series into the market after 4 years. Equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, this positioned the Find X as a flagship device. Apart from that, another attraction of Oppo Find X is the motorized slide-out camera system. So, let me show you how the system works. All you need to do is activate the phone, turn on the camera, and it will just slide out. If you try to physically push down the camera, the system is actually smart enough to pull it down automatically and turn off the camera app. The Oppo Find X houses a 25 megapixel selfie camera alongside a dual rear camera which features 16 and 20 megapixel sensors. The phone is also equipped with 8GB of memory and 256GB of internal storage. Not to forget, the Oppo Find X is also equipped with 3730 mAh battery that supports Oppo's own VOOC fast charge technology. As far as my first impression goes, the Oppo Find X looks rather sleek thanks to its glass back and crescent arc design. The phone is also quite comfortable to hold, although it's very prone to fingerprint smudges. So that's about it, our first look at the new Oppo Find X. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and share it to your friends. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified of our future videos. This is Chief Capri signing out.